Assalamualaikum. Hi class. Today we are going to learn about derivatives. Alright, so previously we have known that if we have y equals to x to the power of 9, right, the derivative of y dy dx is equals to 9x to the power of 8, where we bring 9 forward and the power reduced by 1. Alright, now what if we have y x power of 9, but this time this x is not just x. So instead of just x power of 9, now we are going to have 6x plus 5 bracket power of 9. So we have something else inside the bracket raised to the power of 9. So how are we going to find the derivative of this function, right? So we are going to find the derivative using chain rule, right? So how are we going to use chain rule? So I'm going to show you how to use chain rule to find the derivative of this kind of function, right? Using this example, right? So using chain rule, we have y equals to, our previous example is 6x plus 5 to the power of 9. Right? Now we are going to treat, we have two things here. One is the thing inside the bracket, this something else here, right, other than the normal x. Right? Normal one, we have only x raised to the power. Now we have here, we have something else raised to the power of 9. Alright, so what we are going to do is we are going to find the derivative of the outside first, right, and then multiply with the derivative of the inside. Right, I'm going to show you how. Alright, so dy dx, as we did previously with x power of 9, what's going to happen is we're going to multiply 9 with the inside. Now you see here, we do not disturb yet. Alright, we do not disturb whatever is inside the bracket. Alright, still 6x plus 5. Now power reduced by 1. Now this time we are going to take this inside here and bring it outside and find the derivative of it. Right, so we are going to find the derivative of the inside. Right, so we're going to have this. Now this part settled already, so we just keep it power of 8. Now derivative of 6x is, marker here, derivative of 6x is 6, and derivative of 5 is 0. Right, so I'm just going to put 0 here to mark that, to indicate that the derivative of 5 is 0, derivative of 6x is 6. Right, now we cannot multiply 6 inside here, neither that we can multiply 9 inside here. Why? Because we have power for the bracket. Right, so what we are going to do is we can only simplify it by multiplying 9 with 6. Right, where 0 here, you don't need to write it. Right, I'm just showing you that derivative of 5 is 0. Alright, so we have 54 6x plus 5 to the power of 8. Alright, and that is our answer. I'm going to show you other example of chain rule, right, in other video. Thank you.